Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to change a spare tire or flat tire. My wife was just about to go somewhere and she told me she got a flat. So I thought, hey, you know what? I got a YouTube channel that I tell people how to sell tires, import tires, but this is the perfect moment to actually record myself and tell you what to do when you get a flat tire. So let's go ahead and begin. Now, the first thing you wanna make sure is she found out before she started driving, which is perfect. This means that the tire's still not damaged, and we don't want to roll the tire like this, because what happens is the wheel starts eating the tire from the inside, and then there'll be a little circle around the tire, and then the tire will no longer be good. And so what that means is that you will have to buy a new tire, and that's not what we want. Obviously, we want to take care of the tire, and we want to take care of the sensor, because sometimes, you know, when the tire is damaged, you can break the sensor. So the first thing is, once you've identified that your tire is flat, stop driving. Just pull over wherever safely, parking lot, or again, if you haven't even started driving, like in this case, she has started driving like this, we stop right there. I move the other car, and this is where we're going to start working on the vehicle. Now, also another thing before we start is you will see that I have a lock, a lug nut lock. We're going to need the key, but I'm gonna show you where you can find it. All right, guys, so I found the wheel lock because at first I thought a very common place that they hide it or put it is in the glove box. So if you can't find it, search in your glove box, search in your center console dashboard, and maybe you'll find the wheel lock. Right now I had freaked out that, you know, it has a 4 spare lugs, but no lock. You need the lock, or else you're gonna need to buy a lock remover kit, and there's a whole video about that when I used to do mobile. I'll just reference it somewhere there. But anyways, we got it, so let's go ahead and start. This part, we gotta remove it first. Also, something to keep in mind, this tire is not gonna get us anywhere. Really, it's just gonna get us to the tire shop, so you don't wanna be driving everywhere with this tire. So we're just gonna put it, and then we're gonna take the tire to be repaired. But to remove this, you're gonna use this thing, and then you do a counterclockwise until it's loose, and you could do it by hand. I'm gonna take out this. Normally your vehicle should have something like this. It's either always in the back of the SUV, or if you have a truck or a car, it could be under one of the, I guess, seats in the back. It's very important that you don't have the jack kind of like this, because then the car can fall on you and you can get hurt. So make sure that the car is leveled, and then this part, the flat part, is going to go on the floor. This part is going to go on the top. We're going to put it right here, and this part right here. It's like a little right there. We want to get this side on this side right here. And then, and sorry guys, my kids just found a cat. It's not even our cat, but they're all excited. As you can see, it's gonna go right there. I can start hearing the tire already come up. While you're lifting the car, make sure that, you know, it's not twisting. Make sure everything looks straight. All right, guys, so I forgot something. Before we even increase or like lift the car, it's very important we break the, not break, but like unscrew the lug nuts, the tightness, because right now they're very tight. If I try to untight them, then the car's gonna move. And so now I'm gonna have to lower it down, do that, and then lower it up. So I'll just come back to you guys once I do that first. Alright guys, so there we have it. We got our tire here, which we're gonna take to a repair shop. I think I saw something right here, like a nail maybe came in and out. And then I also see something right there. So we'll see if this tire is actually repairable or not. But I mean, it's a little bit on the sidewall, so it kind of makes me nervous. But we'll see. I hope you guys enjoyed. Got a little tired there, but that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. I'll see you guys next time.